President Calderon decided to stop drug dealers, declaring the war against drug dealing on December 2006. Some people were glad that finally a president will take direct action against this problem. Others considered that it was not correct to get the army into the streets and fight violence using violence. Experience has proved that after 6 years of fighting, the government is still very far from solving this problem. Almost 50,000 deaths, 5,000 disappeared people, and $39,000 million spent.
The federal government is using members of the Mexican Army, the Navy, and the Mexican Air Force to fight drug dealers. Military intelligence is employed in the attempt of locating security houses and trying to arrest important drug dealers, locate and destroy illegal plantations, laboratories, and deposits of weapons. The President and other Mexican authorities are trying to reach agreements to obtain international aid, since the problem is not only affecting Mexico, but also the rest of the world.
What the experts say the solution of the problem should be varies according to the person. Jose Reveles says we should involve more the society in taking actions. Eduardo Buscagila says the solution is in the stopping of money laundering. Mario Vargas thinks we should invest the amount used in the war on health, prevention, and recuperation. Finally, there are international organizations like CICAD who are looking for ways to reduce the consumption of drugs and with this their effects.
Society is also having a role in this problem. People like Javier Sicilia and his movement for peace with justice and dignity are driving the citizens to look for peace in these times of violence. On the other hand, there is an important percentage of consumers that create a demand of drugs and help the illegal organizations to continue operating.
Our proposal consists of cooperation between society, the experts, and the government. First, the government should follow what the experts say and legalize the consumption of certain drugs, such as marijuana, in Mexico City to test if it is a reliable solution. Then the government should also get a solution with the United States concerning the illegal weapons traffic and involve more the US government in the matter, making them see that the drug war will never be won if they don't first reduce their demand. Finally, the money spent in the war should be used to prevent people of consuming drugs and help the ones that are already addicts.
With this proposal, we promote that less weapons enter to Mexican territory, reducing violence. With the legalization, government can control the quality of the drugs and the taxes and convert these illegal organizations into legal organizations. We also create a better use of the resources, attacking the problem from the root, which is the demand. If we educate people, there will be less consumers, less demand, and with time, less offer. We also make the United States more involved in the problem, because without international cooperation, the achievement of the solution will be impossible.